Hello there, Warsaw Expo 21, getting ready for Rebuild Ukraine trade show, opening tomorrow. Let's check how it's the stand looking. As they are now building their stand, we're gonna help them rebuild their country from the region of Murcia. So what are 2 days of meetings and meeting people and presenting things and opportunities we have had here in Warsaw at Rebuild Ukraine. So if you follow me, I will show you where our stand is. We just had a pitch over there, pitch presentation within the European Union program where we showcase CAETRA, what is it, what is in there for companies in Ukraine, and what technologies we are available from the region of Murcia. So, oh man, this is our stand. Not many people are leaving right now, but I think this is the most beautiful stand of the whole trade show. There you go, people is making selfies here. So come with me. So as I said before, we presented CAETRA. CAETRA is a cluster. It's a group of companies, about 130 companies working on the defense, security, and reconstruction industries. Right now here we have come with the reconstruction side, which are actually the companies showcased there. There you have the colors. There are about 20 companies working on different fields of reconstruction, energy, prefabrication, water technology, waste technologies, industrial facilities, agrotech, everything. So we have come with three companies, Corvus, Orins, and Padilla, but there are more companies on that group, and we're able to present and introduce all the contacts for you if you are interested. So we are gonna look forward to a well-deserved rest now that the trade show is almost over, and we look forward to meeting you if you're interested in the CAETRA program. This is Fernando Balesta shooting this video from Warsaw, Rebuild Ukraine. Thanks for watching.